there are good, important things before doing this. That means to do this with proper posture. Proper posture. What is proper posture? Maybe you think that you are training yourself, but if your posture is wrong, the effect is less than half. Now, we are going to call the professional of the proper posture. I think I'm the professional of the proper posture actually. Hey, Miburi! Hello, Miburi. Miburi-san is going to demonstrate the proper posture. No, when you know the proper posture, how to use the proper posture, you can get more high quality effects. So let's imitate Miburi-san and get the nice effective ring fitness. At first, basic manipulation. いきます。できた。If you are not good at this ringing thing, ring move manipulation, you can still use the stick buttons. Okay. Now they or he wants to decide proper weight for me. He is going to ask some questions. My gender is, I think I am female, and my age 50. Oh no, I am not 5 years old. Dynamic stretch が終わったよ。で、I have to have my towel and water. I have my water. It's okay. Opening movie. I'm not wearing a shoe. It's you, Elica. Let me out from here. The world is going to be terrible as if you leave it like this. I can feel the vibration through the ring. Amazing. Wow. You stupid girl. Oh, that's awful ring. You put me into this small thing. My power is going to be complete soon. Nobody is going to stop me now. Don't stop me now. Whoop. Sorry to surprise you. He's Drago, the dragon of the darkness. I am Ring. You seem that you don't belong to this world. Could you put your